In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the Gamma app language in just a few simple steps. If you use Gamma for presentations, documents, or AI-powered content, switching the language can make the whole experience much easier and more comfortable to use. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Gamma account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the User Settings option. This is usually where Gamma keeps your account preferences, display options, and other personal settings. Click on User Settings to open the menu. Now, in the Settings panel, find the Language Settings option. This is the section that controls what language Gamma displays across the app. When you open it, you should see a drop-down menu with the available language choices. Take your time and select your preferred language from that list. After choosing the language you want, click Set Language to confirm the change. This step is important because it saves your preference and tells Gamma to apply the new language to your account. Once that's done, the final step is to refresh your browser. Sometimes the change takes effect right away, but refreshing helps make sure everything updates properly across the interface. After the page reloads, Gamma should now appear in your selected language. And that's it. You've successfully changed the Gamma app language. It only takes a moment once you know where to look. And now you can work in the language that feels most natural to you. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.